Hi, welcome to Mrs. Park's Algebra 1 class. This is the practice portion of section 2 of chapter 5, solving inequalities by multiplication and division. Okay, so numbers 1 through 6, they want you to match each inequality with its corresponding statement. Excuse me. So I would look at the statements first and try to match that up with the inequality. So, A. -4 times a number is less than 5. So -4 times a number. I see number 1 and number 6 has -4 times a number. So which one of those says is less than 5? This is greater than or equal to 5, and this one is 5. So let's see again. -4 times a number is less than 5. So there it is. Okay. 4/5 of a number is no more than 5. So 4/5 the number, I see numbers 2 and 4. 4/5 of a number is no more than 5. So it's not more than, so it must be less or equal to. So B goes with number 4. Okay? And the rest you can match up on your own. Alright, now let's try solving some of these inequalities. Okay, let's actually do a few here. Alright, I'm going to start with number 7. Okay, so you have -a over b is less than -14. Okay, so just like an equation, in order to get rid of this -5, I'm going to multiply by -5 on each side. Okay, so what does that mean? I'm multiplying by a negative number. That means this sign is now reversed. Okay, so whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, your sign is going to be reversed. Okay, so -5 and -5 is gone. Now you have a by itself, greater than, no longer less than, it's greater than, and -14 times 5 is 70. Okay, so you have a is greater than 70. Okay. Alright. Let's do number 15. Okay. So you have -3b is less or equal to 0.75. Okay, again, what you're doing here is you're going to divide by -3 to get b by itself. But wait a minute, you divide it by a negative number, so you're going to reverse that sign. And now you have 0.75 divided by -3, and you have -0.25. Okay, so b is greater or equal to, sorry about that, this is -0.25. Oops, let's make sure that the decimals there. Okay. Alright, so easy concept, same as equations. You multiply or divide, but when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you are just flipping the sign. Okay, good. Alright, a few word problems. Okay, so define a variable. Again, you're just giving a letter, write an inequality, and solve each problem. Check your solution. Okay, so -3 times a number. So a number, I'm going to use n for number. So -3 times a number. So -3n is at least, that means at least, minimum. It's going to be, it can be 57 at the least, but it's also going to be, it can also be greater. So negative 3n is greater or equal to 57. Okay, so you're going to divide by negative 3 on each side. That gets rid of that. So wait a minute, you divide by negative, so you're going to switch the sign, reverse it, and you have 57 divided by 3, or negative 3, by negative 19. Okay. How do you check your solution? Put this answer in here. So you have negative 3 times negative 19. Whoops. Let's rewrite that. Negative 3 times negative 19. Is that going to be greater or equal to 57? So negative 3 times 19, and you have is 57. So yes, 57 is actually greater or equal to 57 because it is equal to 57. So that is your answer. Your n is less or equal to negative 19. Okay, and that's your final answer. Alright, there you go. So go ahead and finish those practice on your own. And thanks for watching.